Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Koho and e-transfers. So, does Koho allow e-transfers? The short answer is yes. You can both send and receive money via Interac e-transfer using your Koho account. This is a key feature of the Koho platform, making it easy to move money in and out of your account. To add money to your Koho account, you can send an e-transfer from another Canadian bank account. You will use your unique Koho email address, which you can find in the app. This method is instant if you have auto deposit set up. You can also send e-transfers from your Koho account to other people. This is done directly through the Koho app. Just like with any other bank, you'll need the recipient's email address or phone number and a security question and answer if auto deposit is not enabled. A big advantage of using Koho is that e-transfers are free. You won't be charged any fees for sending or receiving money this way, which can be a great way to save money compared to traditional banks that might charge for each e-transfer. It's also important to be aware of the limits. While e-transfers are free, Koho does have daily and monthly limits on the amount of money you can send and receive. For example, you can send up to $3,000 per transaction and per day, with monthly limits also in place. These limits are in place to help keep your account secure. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.